Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to join the Roblox Grow a Garden Discord server. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome option from here, then you have to go to the Google Chrome, then you have to search for the roblox.com. After that, when you are in the roblox.com, you have to search for the Grow a Garden like this, then you have to choose the first option from here, and if you click on it, it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded, and after that you have to scroll down here, and here you can see the join our community. Here is the option, the Discord icon. Then if you click on it, after that it will simply take you to the Discord page that you would like to join. So here you can see that we have already got the invitation here. So if you click on the continue to Discord, and here you can see that it will take a couple of seconds to get loaded according to your internet speed, and here you can see it's getting loaded again, and after that it will simply take you to this page, and it will simply make you join to the server. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.